Designers love a good award show season, and this is mainly because of the fashion. Fashion is a perfect inspiration for designers, whether through color, textures, patterns, and more can all be brought into your home. So let's take a closer look.
Anya Taylor-Joy was a ray of sunshine in her canary yellow two-piece gown at the 2023 Golden Globes, paired with floral earrings and the gold collar necklace that added a subtle touch of sparkle to the seemingly simple modern dress. The contemporary space is a perfect nod to Anya's award show ensemble. The corbel in the top left and wave floor add that light feminine touch in contrast to the streamlined yellow arched doorway. Next, we have Jessica Chastain's Golden Globes Oscar de la Renta gown. The sheer spider web-like dress creates a pinch point at her natural waist before the pattern beautifully flares. The pinching and flaring aspect can be seen within these architectural columns. The web-like design mimics that of Jessica's gown, creating a show-stopping moment within this lobby space. Lastly, you can't discuss award show fashion without including Billy Porter. He was absolutely stunning in his velvet tuxedo gown by Christian Siriano. This tailored look is reimagined within this flamboyant foyer space. The high glass walls reflect light just as the velvet catches light, while the panel trim work is perfect nod to Billy's tailored elements. So thanks for following along with me and see how you can bring the award show fashion into your home.